Today, I'm going to show you how to rank #1 in just 24 hours using Claude 4. This is crazy. We're talking about the most powerful AI that just dropped. It's completely free, and I'm going to prove to you that AI content actually ranks. Plus, I'll give you the exact prompts I use. This is going to blow your mind. Here's the thing, Claude 4 is the best AI I've ever tested. I've done over 500 experiments, and it's completely free to use. Anyone can access it right now. At this point, you're probably wondering, does your stuff actually rank? Let me prove it to you. If I search for best SEO trainer in Vancouver, look what comes up. There I am. SEO Elite Circle training. First result, that's the power of what I'm about to show you. So, let's jump straight into this. There are 3 simple steps. Step 1 is finding the right keywords. Step 2 is reverse engineering your competitors. Step 3 is creating content that actually ranks. And I'm going to give you the exact prompts for each step. But here's what most people get wrong. They go after impossible keywords. They try to rank for SEO or marketing. That's like trying to climb Mount Everest on your first day hiking. It's not going to happen. Instead, you need to go after low competition keywords, long-tail keywords that people actually search for. And I'm going to show you exactly how to find them for free using Claude 4. Step 1, finding low competition keywords. First thing you need to do is find keywords that you can actually rank for. Most people mess this up big time. They go after keywords that are way too hard. Here's the keyword research prompt that I use. You can steal this from me right now. It's completely free. Just copy and paste this into Claude 4 for keyword research. Output keywords for my new website. Go for low competition stuff. Aim for long-tail keywords. Don't go too niche. That's it. Super simple, but it works like magic. Let me show you exactly how this works. I'm going to go to Claude 4 right now. I'll paste in the prompt, then I'll say, give me 10 keywords for my bird's website. Watch what happens. Claude 4 spits out amazing long-tail keywords, stuff like best birdwatching binoculars for beginners. These are goldmine keywords. Very low competition, very specific, and people are actually searching for them. But how do we know people are searching for these keywords? Easy. Take any keyword from the list. Go to Google, type it in. If it shows up in the autocomplete, then boom, you know people are typing it into Google. Let me show you. I'll take best birdwatching binoculars for beginners. Type it into Google. Look at that. It pops up in the autocomplete plus a bunch of other related keywords. This means people are actually searching for this stuff. If you want to double check, you can use the free keyword tool on Ahrefs. Just type in your keyword, hit Find Keywords, and it'll show you the search volume and difficulty. But honestly, the Google Autocomplete trick works just as well. The key is to target easy keywords. I know this sounds obvious, but you'd be shocked how many people try to rank for impossible stuff. The easier the keyword, the easier it is to rank. Simple as that. Now, some of these keywords won't be perfect. That's fine. Use some common sense. Look at each keyword. Type it into Google. If it shows up in autocomplete and it's a long-tail keyword, then you're good to go. This is step 1. Very simple, very easy to do, and you can automate it using this prompt. It's going to save you tons of time. The easier the keyword, the easier it's going to be to rank on Google. Step 2, reverse engineering your competitors. Now that you've got your keywords, it's time for step 2. You need to find your top-ranking competitors and figure out what they're doing, right? This is where most people mess up. They just write whatever they want. But that's not how SEO works. You need to see what's already ranking, then make yours better. Here's what you do. Take your keyword, type it into Google, look at who's ranking on the first page. These are your competitors, and you need to study them like your life depends on it. Look at their title tags. What headings do they use? How many words did they write? What topics do they cover? You want to reverse engineer everything. But here's the secret sauce. You can take all their content and plug it into Claude 4. Then ask Claude to extract the keywords, LSI terms, and entities from that page. Let me show you the prompt. Extract the keywords, LSI terms, and entities from this page. Then paste in all their content. Claude 4 will give you a huge list of related topics and keywords. These are all words you can naturally include in your content. This makes your content way more relevant to Google's algorithm. Now, obviously, when you create your content, you want to write it for users first. It needs to be interesting and useful. It needs to answer their search intent, but you also need to write for the algorithm so it actually gets found. So, just to recap, step 2, type your keyword into Google. Find who's ranking on page 1. Study their content. Look at headings, subheadings, word count, and topics. Extract their keywords and entities using Claude 4. Then, you'll know exactly what to include in your content. Step 3. Creating high-quality content with Claude 4. Here's where the magic happens. Creating content that actually ranks. Claude 4 absolutely destroys every other AI out there. Most AI content is garbage. It's generic, it's fluffy, it adds zero value. But Claude 4 is different. When you use the right prompts, it creates content that's better than 99% of human writers. Here's the content creation prompt. Write in the tonality of Alex Hormozi. Make it conversational and human. No fluff, nothing cringe. Every sentence on a new line. UK grammar. Include internal linking opportunities. Add FAQs. Use headers and subheaders. Put the keyword in the first line. Keep it fresh and engaging. And make it first person. This content is formatted way better. It's simplified. It's way more interesting. It has personality. The content itself is 10 times better. The editing required is minimal, maybe 30 minutes to an hour. This is what gives you a competitive advantage. SEO is all about competition. Only one person can rank number 1, and if your content is 10 times better, you're going to win. So, let's recap. Step 1, find low competition keywords using my free prompt. Step 2, create your content outline by reverse engineering competitors. Step 3, create the actual content using my special prompt. The key is using the right prompts with Claude 4 because Claude 4 is a game changer. It's so much better than anything else out there, and it's completely free. Here's something most people don't understand. Google doesn't care if your content is written by AI. Google cares about quality. Google cares about user experience. If your AI content is better than human-written content, then it's going to rank higher. It's that simple. The problem is most people use AI wrong. They use generic prompts. They don't customize anything. They just copy and paste whatever the AI spits out. That's why their content sucks. But when you use the right prompts like I've shown you today, when you customize Claude 4 for your specific needs, when you combine it with proper keyword research and competitor analysis, that's when magic happens. Your content becomes indistinguishable from high-quality human writing. Except it's faster to create, it's more consistent, and it's completely free. Think about it. While your competitors are still hiring expensive writers, while they're still spending days researching and writing, while they're still struggling to rank, you'll be cranking out amazing content in hours. This is the future of content creation. Most people are still stuck in the past. They think they need expensive tools. They think they need to hire writers. They think SEO is some mystical art form. It's not. It's actually pretty simple when you break it down. Find easy keywords, study what's already working, create better content, get a few backlinks. That's it. But not you. Because now you have the unfair advantage. You have the exact system I use to rank number 1. You have the prompts that create amazing content. You have everything you need to dominate your niche. Here's something most people don't understand. Google doesn't care if your content is written by AI. Google cares about quality. Google cares about user experience. Google cares about answering search intent. If your AI content is better than human-written content, then it's going to rank higher. It's that simple. I've proven this works over and over again. I've helped thousands of students rank number 1 using these exact methods. I've built a 7-figure agency using these strategies. The results speak for themselves. And now it's your turn to get results. If you want to discover how we take websites from 0 to 145,000 visitors per month and generate thousands in sales, then book your free SEO strategy session. That's a one-on-one call where we'll give you a free SEO domination plan. Link in comments and description. And if you want to rank number 1, get more customers, and make money with AI SEO, then join SEO Elite Circle. Grab the AI SEO playbook we used to grow from 0 to 145,000 plus monthly visitors and steal the exact systems we're using to scale past 8 figures. Thanks so much for watching. Now go dominate your niche with Claude.